Welcome students, this is the learning how to draw class. I am Swapan. Today's video is specially for VFA students. Here we will learn composition fundamentals and we will discuss about the composition. So friends, this is a rainy season special fishing composition. We have already shown you the process of this composition through gesture drawing. Now we will learn how to apply the color very smartly. At first, focus on the first figure. To find out the dark portion, we will use brown color in the opposite direction of the light. Here we can see the light is coming from the right side of this picture. So left side is the dark portion. Following this process, we apply the orange color and merge it with ochre yellow and peach color. Also, we will use white glass marking pencil for the smooth blending. Now apply more dark for the shadow portion. For the dresses, we will use ochre yellow color in this way and merge it with white color. Also use little bit black and brown color for the dark portion. Now complete the pant with dark blue and brown color and merge it following the drapery. Similarly, we complete the hair following the dark portion. Also complete the wicker hat. Now come to the second figure. Following the same process, the light is coming from the right side. Here we will use dark brown color and merge it with yellow ochre and peach color. He is wearing a light sky blue sleeveless t-shirt. We will use black glass marking pencil for extra dark. Now complete the pant in this way, also here. After that, complete the umbrella following the light. Use little bit dark color under the umbrella. Now complete the background. This is a stormy rainy day and the sky is fully cloudy. Of course, here we will not use the sky blue color. This is a light gray color with little bit white. Merge the color properly. Now complete the houses one by one behind the pond. So basically, every time we will follow the light and shadow portion properly. Though this is a rainy day, but there was a side from where the light is falling. For the tree, we will apply black and sap green color, also little bit water green color. Complete the bushes, also other trees. Now complete the trees behind the boys. See, you can follow the outdoor to collect the proper color of these trees. Now complete the boundary wall. This is a old casting wall with some damaged bricks. Now similarly we complete the trees behind the wall and in front of the wall. Now complete the fishing rod using pencil color. Also complete the land from where they are fishing. Gradually complete the whole composition with me. So friends, finally our whole composition is completed. Following this process, we can draw any type of natural scenery and composition for our higher study and BFA entrance exam. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Good luck to you all. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you and bye-bye.